It's Vern from VFC Archery. This is metal, but it's a yardstick. It's 1 yard long, 36 inches. And I remember as a kid I used to like pick these up and bend them and think to myself, boy, that's pretty cool. Like, I wonder if we could make a bow out of that. And I'd look at it and I'd pretend to shoot it. And I'm not going to string this up, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull out the shortest bow I've ever made, and it's a sinew backed osage orange, and it is knock to knock less than 1 yard long. Give you a look at it there, you'll be able to see the size. It's got about, I'm not sure how much sinew it had, probably about 35-40 grams. I've wrapped the ends, and you'll see that it's osage. Now it's got some string follow. The tips were slightly recurved, but not much. You can see there's a little bit of string follow. Not a big deal for something this short that's being drawn, more than half of its length. No native bow would have been shorter than this. This was probably as short as it would have ever gone. Okay, so we're going to try to get the whole bow in here. I'll pull it back. I'm not quite sure how far I'm pulling it, but I'm going to pull it till I feel it stacking, and that means that you get the feeling if you pull it any further, you're going to do some damage to the bow or stress it beyond what its normal stress should be. So here we go, I'll just give it a pull. Right about there, that's about max. Okay, so here we go with the chrono, 400 grain arrow, 27 inches from nock to tip. 142. We can do better than that. 147. That looks like the high. We'll just zoom in on that. 147. Okay, so now we're going to add a couple of those side profile shots. I'll hold this one as long as I can, just so we can lock in on the tiller. There I go, I'm twirling my bow like it was a baton. Try doing that with your English longbow or your traditional bow. So that's how short this thing is. I mean, maneuverability, you could take it anywhere. It's as light as a feather. It's about 7 ounces. But a little thing like this with a short arrow, I mean, I'm shooting 27-inch arrows. I could just as soon shoot a 21 or 22-inch arrow and I mean, just rifle those off like it was nothing. You could hunt with this. I mean, this is legal to hunt with. I mean, it's greater than a 40-pound draw. Draws with it. Pretty quick. So Vern, VFC Archery, thanks for watching.